Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also in that same area, there is a thumbs up. That's important on the YouTube platform. So if you enjoy the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping me grow on the YouTube platform. All right, let's get started. Here we go. Again, I'm in shock that I'm getting deliveries on the weekend. I think it is absolutely fantastic. And this one actually is a surprise to me. I got my tracking information, and I don't know if I'm the only one, for the X, literally 2 or 3 days after the beginning of the month, and I still don't have it yet. It's not moving. The Glam Bag, regular bag, I didn't get or receive any tracking on, and here it is. So this is a fantastic surprise. I was hoping some of my points products would be in this, but maybe that's in my Glam Bag X, and maybe that's what's delaying it, but I don't understand. I get the tracking so early and then it doesn't move. So the adrenaline is still there waiting for this X. So I'm excited to get it. I'm happy that I'm able to watch a couple of other girls open theirs, and it's definitely going to be worth waiting for. So I'm really excited about that. But today, I'm really excited that I got the Glam Bag, because this month, the bag in it that I was able to share with you guys at the beginning of the month through the beautiful PR package that I got from IPSY had this bag in it. So I'm so happy that so many are going to be getting this bag. If you're not familiar with the Glam Bag, it is what I call the starter bag. It is, because that's where I started. It is a $12 a month bag, free shipping. It's supposed to include 5 deluxe sample size, but they always seem to put in a couple of full sizes. At least I have found that in my bags. But on paper, it is a 5 sample deluxe bag plus a bag. So this is not included in the count. And this is how gorgeous this is. This actually isn't a pattern. This is actually, you can feel the product, was the word I'm trying to think of? The actual, material that's in here. It is embossed. It is just beautiful. So this is what this looks like. It actually looks like a really fancy envelope purse. And then inside here is this gorgeous lime green. And then of course the IPSY logo, but it is fully lined. I think this is just beautiful. And the IPSY name is really down here, very faint, but it is so beautiful. It's like a reptile print. I'm so impressed with this bag. And to me, that's not even included in the $12. So to me, this is always a win-win bag. And I always suggest that if you don't know where to start, and if you don't know if you're gonna like getting products every single month, then this is where you start, because it also opens up the shopper, the flash sales, the add-ons, everything else that IPSY has to offer. You get in with the $12 plus all of these items, and you get to customize one item. Really exciting. This is the card that we received inside. When you get this, you will get all the information in here, plus the picture of what the product is, and it gives you what the deluxe sample size, if what you received is a deluxe sample size, the price of the full size item, which for me is everything. So I'm never sure if the information is going to be on the card, so I do my notes. And in my notes, I also, when I go on the website, sometimes they have an extra discount that if you end up enjoying the product, you'll be able to use this discount for future purchases, I guess, of the full size. So I'm going to share that with you as well in the description box down below. So the first item that was my choice item that I also got in the point section that I'm waiting for, I got this, I chose for myself in the point section for, I think it was 600 points, the olive one. So when I saw that this was an opportunity, because I've been enjoying the Beauty for Real. This is a 24/7 gel eyeliner, and it's in the color they're calling Storm. There is a 25% discount, which I will leave in the description box down below. This is a full-size item, and this is $16. This was my choice. This already more than paid for the box. So it's for the bag. So for me, this is what I mean, what is so fantastic about this IPSY starter bag. So this is a full-size eyeliner, and what they say on the paper here, it says, "Who has time to reapply eyeliner? Not us." This is a rich gel formula that is super pigmented, waterproof, and lasts all day long without smearing or smudging, no touch-ups required. They're saying we can even use this in the waterline as a tight liner. We could trace it out on our upper lash line for a quick flick, or smudge it out for a smoky look. It's also vegan and cruelty-free. And about the brand, they're saying this line of tried and true beauty essentials is made with good for you ingredients, and it will enhance our skin's natural glow. So let's do a little swatch so we can see what this looks like. And wow, it's really, really smooth. And let me just do it a little bit darker. There you go. So that's if you do it a couple times, and that's if you do it once. There's not that much of a difference. It's really, really beautiful. It definitely has a grayish charcoal type of color to it, which is really, really, Storm is the perfect name for it. Really, really excited about getting this. So that was my first item. The next one is, and it came in this box, which really surprised me because this is supposed to be a deluxe sample. This is from Benefit Cosmetics. It's My Brow Pencil Waterproof Eyebrow Definer. And it was in warm light brown. And that's the color that they chose for me. And when I opened it up, there was this inside. And this says this is the deluxe sample size, and the full size of this would be a $24 value. This is a brow pencil. It says, use this multitasking pencil to shape, fill, and groom your brows. Thanks to a custom control grip with an ultra-fine tip, you'll get precise hair-like lines every time. You can use short strokes to fill in sparse spots and longer horizontal strokes to give them shape, then blend it all out with the spoolie brush. They're saying this is 12 hours. It will last. That's how long this waterproof pencil lasts without smudging or smearing. And about the brand, it was founded by two sisters in San Francisco. This quirky brand puts the fun back into makeup with sacrificing any other quality. I actually think their daughters are the ones that are really involved now, so it's really going from generation to generation. And that's what this looks like here. And let's see how this works. So you just twist and okay, so this one doesn't have a spoolie on the other end that I can see, and this is what it looks like here. I'm gonna try to do it like that and then try to do a thin one above. So there's the thin one. I'm hoping the camera's catching that, and that's if you press a little bit harder. And they always tell you with brow pencils, the lighter you want the color, the lighter you press, the darker you want, the darker you press. So really excited about that. So it's a twist, excited. Okay, the next item that we got is they're considering also full size. And this one, there was a little bit of a discrepancy in the paperwork versus the card, which I will go through with you guys. So this is from the Creme shop. It is the Fusion Sheet Mask Duo. It is in Blueberry Banana and Peaches and Cream. And they're saying the value on the website was $15, but on the card, they're saying these are $3 each. These are considered full size. And they're saying for days or nights when your skin needs a quick pick-me-up, these sheet masks are the answer. Pop on the Blueberry Banana mask for its clearing and brightening benefits, and the Peaches and Cream mask for a gentle cleanse and some smoothing action. Place one of these sheet masks over a clean, dry skin and leave it on for up to 15 minutes. They are 100% cruelty-free. And then it says for K Beauty brand, this is what the Creme shop is. It curates exceptional ingredients from all over the world to craft high quality beauty products at an approachable price point. So always enjoy getting K Beauty. Sheet masks are always easy. And this, I'm really excited that they have two in here, which is really a lot of fun. All right, the next item in here is from Moroccan Magic. This is a coconut lip balm. And they're saying this is also considered full size. This is a $4 value. And it says this isn't one of those balms that you will have to keep reapplying 24/7. It's made with high quality cold pressed argan oil and virgin coconut oil to provide long lasting comfort and hydration. You could swipe it on your bare lips whenever they feel dry or chapped, or use it as a moisturizing base for your favorite lipstick. It's a cruelty free and made with all natural ingredients. The founder, Christina Tisporas, I'm pronouncing her name completely wrong, made this balm with the belief that your everyday lip balm should feel as luxe as your high-end products. So really excited to always get a balm. All right, and then the last item that we got in here is from a brand that I'm really impressed with. I've had the opportunity to try their eye cream from this, and I'm really enjoying it. This is a facial cleanser. Facial cleansers are always something that I enjoy so much because I wash my face a few times during the day, and if I'm filming and then we're going out, I take my makeup on, take it off, and I cleanse. So this is always exciting to get a cleanser. This is a deluxe sample size, but the full size of this would be a $40 value. They're saying get you a cleanser that can do both. Cleanse skin of makeup and grime, and then gently exfoliate at the same time. This creamy cleanser uses mango and papaya enzymes to help break down dirt and dead skin cells. Shea butter to nourish, and vitamin E to help protect your skin from free radical damage. Together, you're left with an overall glow without any dryness. Some tubes may say foaming cleanser, and some say facial cleanser. Don't worry, they are the amazing same product. Work a small amount of cleanser and water in your palms to create a foam. Lather all over your skin and then rinse. It's 100% vegan and cruelty-free. It's never tested on animals. And Verso Skincare is a Swedish brand that offers easy-to-use, high-performance skincare treatments that provide long-term health and rejuvenating for all skin types. So that's really, really exciting. I didn't know it was a Swedish brand. I always enjoy putting down the information, and then I put it on my desk, and then I go through it only when I'm sitting down here with you, like as if I'm reading it for the first time here, because I want to feel and understand the excitement when it arrives. So that's what I do. That's what I share. I will leave, like I said, any discounts and all the descriptions and the prices inside the description box that's found right underneath the video. If you've had the opportunity to try any of these products, please share it in the comments down below. I always enjoy reading your comments, and I also feel everyone reads the comments of true ones, because we all respond to each other and we're learning from each other. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you all again soon in my next video. Stay well, take care, bye for now.